How do I deposit a check using a picture?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to deposit a check using a picture. In today's digital age, many banks offer the convenience of depositing checks through their mobile banking apps. It's a quick and easy way to deposit funds without having to visit a branch. So, let's get started.
Check your bank's mobile app.
The first thing you need to do is check if your bank's mobile app supports check depositing through pictures. Most major banks have this feature, but it's always good to confirm. Head over to your app store and search for your bank's mobile app. Once you find it, download and install it on your smartphone.
Sign in to your bank's mobile app.
Once you have installed the app, open it up and sign in using your online banking credentials. If you haven't enrolled in online banking, you may need to do that first. Enter your username and password to access your account.
Locate the check deposit feature.
Now that you are signed in, let's find the check deposit feature. Look for a section or menu option within the app that is related to deposits or check transactions. It might be labeled as Deposit, Check Deposit, or something similar. Tap on the appropriate option to proceed.
Capture images of the check.
Once you are in the check deposit section, you will be prompted to capture images of the front and back of the check. Position the check on a flat surface with good lighting. Make sure the check is not wrinkled or torn to ensure accurate image capture. To take the picture of the front of the check, align the check within the frame provided on the screen. Ensure that all four corners of the check are visible. When ready, tap the capture button to take the photo. Next, you will be asked to capture the back of the check, especially if it requires your endorsement. Flip the check over and align it within the frame. Again, make sure all four corners are visible. When ready, capture the photo.
Enter check details.
After capturing the images, you will need to enter some details related to the check. This usually includes the check amount and the account to which you want to deposit the funds. Some apps may also ask you to select the type of check, personal, business, etc. Carefully enter the check amount as written on the check. Make sure to double-check for any decimal points or cents. Then, choose the account where you want the funds to be deposited. Review the information for accuracy before proceeding.
Review and confirm.
Now that you have entered the check details, the app will likely show you a summary of the deposit information. Take a moment to review the details and ensure everything is correct. Pay close attention to the check amount and the deposit account. If everything looks good, confirm the deposit. Some apps may require you to accept the terms and conditions for check deposits through pictures. Read and agree to any terms presented before finalizing the deposit. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to deposit a check using a picture through your bank's mobile app. It's a convenient way to manage your finances from the comfort of your own home. Remember, each bank's app may have slight variations in the process, so make sure to follow the instructions provided by your specific bank. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and *subscribe.